Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how 11 Labs can totally level up your content creation. Whether you're making YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, social media clips, or educational content. If you're a creator looking for efficient, high-quality voiceovers without hiring voice actors or spending hours recording, this video is going to be really helpful. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our tech insights and reviews. First, quality and realism. 11 Labs AI voice generator produces natural-sounding, human-like speech. The AI captures realistic intonation, rhythm, tone, and emotion. That means whether you're narrating a documentary-style video, a story, or an explainer, you get clean, professional-sounding audio that doesn't feel robotic. This is a huge help for creators who want their voiceovers to sound polished, but don't have access to a studio or a professional voice actor. Second, voice cloning and custom voices. If you want consistency across all your content, for example, the same narrator voice for every video or podcast episode, 11 Labs lets you clone a voice, your own or another voice you have rights to. Once you upload a sample, you can generate new audio in that voice whenever you need. This is perfect for creators releasing content regularly. You don't need to re-record anything each time. Just update the script and regenerate the audio. Third, multilingual and multi-accent support. Many creators aim for global audiences or cater to multilingual communities. 11 Labs supports multiple languages and accents, letting you easily localize content or reach viewers in different regions. This broadens your reach and helps make your content more inclusive. Fourth, speed, convenience, and efficiency. Instead of booking voice actors, setting up recording gear, doing retakes, and editing, AI voice generation cuts down production time drastically. For solo creators or small teams, this efficiency makes it easier to produce more content, faster. Audiobooks, podcasts, narrated tutorials all become more manageable when you don't need to record manually every time. Fifth, versatility of use cases. 11 Labs isn't just for YouTube voiceovers. It's useful for podcasts, audiobooks, e-learning modules, social media videos, explainer videos, and storytelling. This makes it a valuable tool for creators across different niches. That said, there are some things creators should keep in mind. Heavier usage, like long videos or frequent uploads, may require a paid plan since free tiers often have limits. Also, while AI voices are very realistic, sometimes they may lack subtle human imperfections or emotional nuance. So, for highly emotional or dramatic content, you might want to review carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other creators who could benefit, and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and honest tech reviews. Dive into 11 Labs and see how it can transform your content creation process. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.